Hi, my name is Bayras Ahmadikin and I'm a doctor from Russia. About the Sprachwerkstatt school in Paderborn, I have learned in social networks. From the beginning, our communication, the school has always supported in document processing, finding a job and searching the flat. I have completed the B2 course and now I'm taking a medical exam preparation course. I'm very grateful to this school and highly recommend it. Paderborn is a small city with a lot of history. There are many possibilities with concerts, sports, restaurants and shopping. If you're a doctor and would like to work in Germany as well, just contact with Sprachwerkstatt School.